What's up guys, welcome back to the expanded tutorial video. Today we're going to be putting on roof rails on it. So it's just going to be a few simple steps, so let's go. So the next step after this would be to put on some RTV on these empty blocks right here. So let's go do that. So you don't want to put too much, just a little dab on each spot, just so you got enough to stick it on there. Okay guys, so now all the dabs of RTV is on the roof rail. I want to grab a partner to help you do this because it's going to be a tough one to do alone. So you're going to align it on top right here. Make sure it's on the edges just outside your window seals. Alright guys, so basically did the same thing on the other side as we did over there, and that's basically it. Your roof rails are installed. There you go. So your roof rails are installed. I hope you like this tutorial. It's pretty easy as you can see. So I'll end the video here guys, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'm Sky and watching JSL. Creative innovation always. See you guys next time.